Hello everyone! Welcome to our Literature 101 class. And now, we are going to tackle about the issues and concern in children's and adolescents literature. Let's go! The issues and concerns in children's and adolescents literature regarding political correctness in fables, A Ton of Tales have been a topic of discussion and debate in recent years. The portrayal of characters, themes, and messages in traditional fables and tales has come under scrutiny for their potential to perpetuate stereotypes, promote harmful ideologies, or exclude certain groups of people. Here are some key points to consider. Cultural sensitivity. Many traditional fables and tales have roots in specific cultural contexts, and the way these stories are told and interpreted can impact how different cultures are perceived. It is important to approach these narratives with cultural sensitivity and avoid appropriating or misrepresenting cultural traditions. Representation and diversity. One of the primary concerns in rewriting classical tales is the need for representation and diversity in children's and adolescents' literature. By incorporating characters from diverse backgrounds, culture, and identities, authors can create stories that resonate with a broader of readers and promote inclusivity. Cultural sensitivity and authenticity. When deconstructing classical tales, authors must approach of the retelling of stories with cultural sensitivity and authenticity. It is essential to respect the origins of the original tales and ensure that the interpretations are done in a respectful and accurate manner that honors the source material. Rewriting and deconstructing classical tales involve challenging the traditional narratives that may perpetuate harmful stereotypes or promote outdated values. By reimagining these stories, authors have the opportunity to introduce new perspectives, themes, and characters that align with contemporary values of diversity, inclusivity, and social justice. Cultural sensitivity and authenticity. When deconstructing classical tales, authors must approach of the retelling of stories with cultural sensitivity and authenticity. It is essential to respect the origins of the original tales and ensure that the interpretations are done in a respectful and accurate manner that honors the source material. Fidelity to the source material. One significant concern is the extent to which movie and TV adaptations remain faithful to the original children's and adolescents' literature. Deviating too far from the source material can alter the intended messages, themes, and characterizations, potentially leading to a disconnect between the adapted version and the original work. Age-appropriate content. Ensuring that movie and TV adaptation of children's and adolescents' literature are age-appropriate is essential. Content that is too mature, violent, or explicit to the intended audience can be distressing or inappropriate for young viewers. It is crucial for adaptations to strike a balance between staying true to the source materials and tailoring the content for the target age group. Educational value and critical thinking. Movie and TV adaptations of children's and adolescents' literature offer opportunities to engage young viewers in discussions about storytelling, themes, and character development. Encouraging critical thinking and media literacy skills when watching adaptations can help children and adolescents navigate the differences between written and visual storytelling formats.